Hey friend, this is my January 2023 YouTube update. So I've been on YouTube for about 5 months now. I took about 2 months off. So 5 months of posting consistently, and we're gonna go into a lot of things in this video. I'm gonna share with you my updates that I've gone through in January 2023 and what you can expect at about 5 months in. We're gonna talk about my analytics updates. We're gonna talk about shorts, monetization. Have I been monetized? I don't know. I'll let you know later in this video. And I'm also gonna be sharing with you the things that I've manifested that the universe just seemed to drop into my lap. Couldn't believe it. It's actually sped up a lot of my YouTube processes. So let's get started. The goal that I had for January was to post a short every single day. My goals for January 2023, I'm going to have shorts for every single day. And I really worked hard to actually do that. I did not post a short every single day. I posted a total of 21 shorts, which I thought was actually really good. And I posted a total of 3 full-length videos for the month of January. And that actually gained me 21 subscribers. One of the very first things that I wanted to manifest for January, well, actually as of December, was 500 subscribers. So I reached this milestone on January 20th, 2023. And so it happened a little bit later than I wanted it to happen, but it did happen not too much longer after I set my initial goal. So the very first update is going to be about shorts because that was what I was concentrating on for January 2023. Because YouTube has finally monetized shorts in February 2023. So at the time that I'm actually filming this video, shorts are now actively being able to monetize through YouTube. So everybody and their mama on every single platform is trying to compete with TikTok. Anyway, the algorithm is all messed up all over the place. They're pushing shorts. And what I found is that it actually does pay off for subscribers. It does not pay off for watch time because you have such a small clip, 30 seconds to a minute long with shorts. So it actually took a lot of work to create shorts. The other thing that I found really weird about shorts is that the consistency in the algorithm is really weird. So I would post a short and it would get maybe 5 views in the first 24 hours. And I thought that's really weird. So I would delete it and then re-upload it and then it would get 1,000 views. So there's no consistency with the algorithm right now. It's kind of a crap show. You just don't know when you upload a short how well it's gonna do. There's no like rhyme or reason. It doesn't really make sense. Just knowing that when you post a short, some are gonna do well and some aren't gonna do well. It's just the way it is right now. So maybe with some time and some consistency, YouTube will get it figured out and their algorithm will get it figured out and then it'll be more consistent. I have one kitten right behind me. Other one, don't know what he's doing. On the days that I didn't feel like posting and I actually did post a video, even though I was like, I really don't really want to post. I wasn't motivated or inspired, but I had a lot of shorts already ready to go. So I went ahead and just uploaded it. And those are the ones that actually did really well. If you're hesitating and thinking like, oh, should I post this? Should I not post it? Just post your short anyway and just walk away. And hopefully you'll get some really good views on it. I still want to do my long form content videos, but I can't really ignore shorts at this point. Okay, so 5 months into posting consistently, one of the things I've really been struggling with because I work full time and my time is limited on when I can spend time on YouTube, scripting has actually been one of the processes that I thought if I put more time into it, I'll create better videos. And so I was writing down word for word every single thing that I wanted to talk about in my videos. And then when I would sit down and film, I didn't actually use every single word. I didn't actually speak everything that I had written down. So I figured that I was wasting a ton of time and it was taking so much effort and energy to create these long scripts, guys. It was taking me like hours and hours and hours to write these scripts, and I would come out with like 7 pages because I want to jam pack my videos with a ton of information. And so that was actually something that I was struggling with, and I put it out in the universe. I'm like, universe, I really need to have something that's going to be really quick and really efficient for me by the end of the day. I've spent my entire day on scripting, and I was asking around. I was going to other YouTubers' channels and researching, like on Nick Nimmin and Annie Dubé and vidIQ. What are they doing to script their videos? I was looking at YouTube videos on how to script. I was going to forums and asking how to script because I thought there has to be an easier way. There's no way that I'm the only one that's taking so much like crazy amount of time to script my YouTube videos. And lo and behold, the universe heard my plea and heard my desires and said, here you go, Kristen. And it was something called chatGPT. And you've probably heard of it by now. If you haven't heard of it, it's an open AI software, artificial intelligence software that you can type in a question and say something like, write me a script for a YouTube video on this topic. And so I was able to test this out and thought, okay, I'm just going to try this because this could actually help me a lot and save a lot of time. And so I put in my question and I had 5 videos scripted in like 10 minutes. And I wouldn't say that it's 100% done. It's not something that I would recommend just to take what ChatGPT is giving you. What I would do is use that as a sample formula, your basic script, and then fill it out the way you want to and put your own spin on it. You want to make it your own. And I thought it was just really cool and I really liked it. So I'm going to actually use this for my future videos, not all of them. So if I can use ChatGPT to just get a basic outline for what I want to talk about and then fill it out the way that I would want to actually share in my YouTube video, it's going to be amazing and save me so much time. And I've already seen YouTubers use ChatGPT for their videos and had their videos blow up. This is definitely going to be a tool in my toolbox. The other update that I want to share has to do with comments. I'm getting my presence out there. I'm being a lot more consistent. And so of course, what's going to come with that is getting some negative comments. And I already mentioned this in a previous video, but I don't really care if the comments are negative. Everybody has their own opinion. Everybody's entitled to say what they need to say. The only thing that I would delete, if it's something like horrible, like racist or homophobic, or something that's just against my own personal morals that, you know, most of society would agree with, is like hate speech, it's not even going to post. And if it does post, it's going to get deleted. That's something I absolutely will not tolerate on my channel. But if you have negative comments, don't really care. YouTube considers it as engagement. It's only helping me in the long run. So thank you very much. But yeah, I'm not going to tolerate shitty comments from shitty people if it's something like really, really bad. Don't watch the video. Don't subscribe to the channel if this isn't something that's not for you, right? If you do like this content and you do like this channel, I love to talk about personal finance and personal development. Please subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my community. And while you're down there, please like this video. It does help my channel grow and get this video out to more people. Thank you so much. And I would say for the most part, all the comments that I get, 99% of the comments that I get are really amazing. Shout out to my dad who always leaves me awesome comments and everybody else who leaves awesome comments. So thank you so much for leaving all the positivity. I really appreciate it. Can't say how much I care about you guys. Thank you. The other type of comments that I'm getting, and this probably just comes with the territory of being a woman on YouTube or on a public platform, is that you get some creepy comments. I am married. I am not about that. If you're hanging on this channel for that reason, like, please go somewhere else. I'm not interested. My channel is pretty open for everybody, but I am focusing on women and financial development. So just putting that out there. But I do see all of these things as positive signs. My channel is growing and I'm starting to get my reach out there. So I am excited about that. One of the things as a new YouTuber that I thought was really annoying and frustrating because I couldn't exactly get a clear answer is when I would ask about consistency, or I would listen to YouTubers talk about consistency, and they're usually normally bigger YouTubers, and they say YouTube rewards consistency. You have to be consistent. You have to post regularly. And it's like, but what does that mean? Can I just post randomly every week and that's okay? Or do I have to post the same time every week, the same day every week? So for example, like every Friday at 8 a.m. I'm going to post a video. Is that what they mean by consistency? I wasn't able to get like a really clear answer on that. So I've already tried posting randomly and that isn't quite growing me the way I want to grow. And that's what I keep hearing, is that if you're posting consistently, that's when you blow up. And it was when you get like a regular schedule. Like for example, if you're working a full-time job, you have set hours that you have to go to work. You have set days that you have to be at work. Because I'm trying to run this YouTube channel as a business, I need to actually work on my consistency and getting on schedule, getting things batched, getting things ready to go so that I have everything edited and ready to go so I can post exact day, exact time every single week and see what kind of results that gets me. Now, I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen because YouTube seems to be favoring the shorts, but I also suspect that posting shorts consistently, regularly is also going to drive a lot of traffic to my channel. So I'm going to try that and see how that works. So you've probably already guessed, one of my goals for next month, for February, is monetization. I'm not talking about getting monetization through the YouTube Partner Program. Now that would be nice. So I'm 5 months into posting regularly, 7 months on the platform in total, and I'm not yet monetized. Obviously, because I just hit the 500 subscriber mark. I'm not at the 1,000 subscriber mark yet. There's two ways to get monetized now. You can get 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 hours of public watch time on your long form content or short form content, I assume. And the second way you can get monetized is having 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public views on your shorts. So they have two different ways you can get monetized. I am trying to think about ways to get monetized before even hitting that YouTube partnership program requirement. So different ways to get monetized. I can get sponsorships and sign up for affiliate links, things like that. So I am looking into things that my viewers would enjoy. Another way to get monetized before getting into the YouTube Partner Program is having your own merchandise. guys, don't know if you're aware, but one of the businesses that my husband and I have is we have an Etsy store. And so we created all of our own designs, and we have the best quality t-shirts and the best partners that we use to actually make our t-shirts. So if you want to support this channel and help me and my family, we would really appreciate it. The link is down below. Of course, shorts are going to be part of my strategy for next month. You just have to incorporate shorts regardless if you like it or not. I think a lot of YouTubers, there's some out there that are still resisting this, but it does get you out there to a lot more people. It is favored in the algorithm right now, so why not use that to your favor? And the other goals that I have is working on growing my Instagram. I do want to connect with a lot of my viewers outside of YouTube. I feel like having a platform outside of YouTube actually is more beneficial, so that I can actually connect and you can see more about what I do during the day and what things I'm working on outside of YouTube. So that's something that I'm working on. If you have questions, you can always reach out to me there. And then just continually improving my videos. This is something that I want to document, and I do find it really fun to go into the analytics and show you exactly where I'm at and what you can expect at 5 months in. If you like this video, you'll want to watch this video next, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.